Hey guys, today we're going to talk about tricep pushdowns. So tricep pushdowns, obviously it's going to target the triceps. I'm going to use the rope. You can use a straight bar. I recommend the rope just because when you go down you can go further and your legs don't get in the way. And if you have broader shoulders, you're a little bit wider, you can also put two ropes together to make the rope longer, so then you're not so closed in together. You can pull apart even further to go in that natural path of pushing down and in that natural path of that tricep. So when we come over here, what we're going to do is when you pull down, you want to make sure that it is going to be at about 90 degrees as your start here. And then from here, you are pulling apart and down, really extending those elbows. Notice how when I am doing this, I am not going all the way up and my elbows start to come up. You want to keep those elbows to your side, coming down. So we'll grab this, get in that start position here, and extend. Just like so. Again, it's not coming up here, my elbows aren't moving, keeping them right by the side. And push down. I hope that helps, guys. If you have any questions at all, please feel free, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.